Hi, Danny. Thanks for coming.
Thanks for having us at this beautiful home in Delphi Hills, right in the heart of South Lakeland. Can you tell us a little bit more about the community, the builder, and the stunning property?
So this community is well known for its rolling elevation. It's well known for the Hullberg Construction homes. Oh my gosh, they're absolutely beautiful. They're all custom made, as you can see when you drove up, you probably saw them. And also we're well known for the elevation and the Lakeland Highlands views throughout this property.
Wow, I can't wait to check it out.
So this home comes with a golf simulator.
Oh my goodness.
So this is perfect to practice your strokes inside. You don't have to worry about the weather. We also have a balcony out here that shows the beautiful Lakeland Highlands view.
Gorgeous.
This game room also has a wet bar to store all your drinks and all the seating, full bath also. And then we have an adjoining family room. This is perfect for game night, movie night. Kids can have sleepovers here. This could be a playroom, just very versatile. And then you have this view of this spectacular saltwater pool and spa that can be heated. And look what the sellers did with the landscaping. I love this lush landscaping and the fountain. Also, you have plenty of room for outdoor eating. These doors here open up, and so now you can have the flow of the inside and the outside.
This home has just a perfect combination of indoor, outdoor luxury living.